Fine. The board is clear to all of you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes, class. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
The history class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Richard. Good morning. Okay, fine. Is the board clear to all of you? Both the sides? Is it clear?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning. Now I think it is fine. Okay. Yesterday we were doing history class. Yes, we were doing history.
Yes, ma'am.
Where? What exactly in history? Where were we?
Ma'am, we were starting chapter number 4.
Okay.
Good
Fine.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Yesterday I gave you introduction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So today I want you people to be ready with your notebooks, your pen, pencil, whatever you are using. I'll be giving you a flow chart, which I explained you yesterday, right? So kindly note it down. Fine. Still, all are coming. Okay. This is chapter 4, forest, society, and colonialism. Fine.
Chapter 3 drainage is not in the syllabus, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, drainage.
Geography 1.
Yes, ma'am.
I know it is your geography period, but I thought of, because yesterday we started with history, no? So I thought of continuing with the same,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Shall we? Is the board clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. deforestation. See, here we are going to write the reasons, various reasons for deforestation. Right, class?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Kindly note down. See, the first reason for deforestation was agricultural expansion. Right? Then the other reason was, as I told you, ship building, right? Then what was the third reason? Class, what was the third reason?
expansion of railway.
Very good. Development of railway.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good part. Then what was the next reason?
Ma'am, commercial forestry.
Very good. Very good. Commercial forestry. And the last reason was? The last reason for deforestation was?
Ma'am, plantation.
Very good, Tanishka. Very good. It was plantation. Now, see, under this plantation, we had three types of crops which were grown. Can anybody name those three crops?
Indigo, tea, and cotton.
Indigo, cotton, not there. Cotton and indigo are not plantation crops, beta. Anybody?
Ma'am, tea,
Yes, tea.
coffee.
Very good. And the third one was rubber, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. It was rubber. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
All have made this?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Shall I rub?
Yes, ma'am.
All have made?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait.
Fine, fine. I'm waiting. And by the time you are doing it, I'm taking a quick attendance of yours. Okay. Abhiraj is not there. Aditya Rao.
Present, ma'am.
Then Adnan Khan. Akhilesh Patel. Alek. Anushka Gupta. Aryan Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Aryan Patel. Ayush Bharadwaj. Today Rishabh has come to our class. Rishabh Gangwar. Sorry, Rishabh Kumar. I thought it is Rishabh Gangwar. Rishabh, yesterday you were not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you were not there yesterday?
Ma'am, because yesterday my phone's battery was about to dead.
Was dead. Okay. Okay. Fine. Aryan Patel, Ayush Bharadwaj, Bhavya Dikshit, Ilma Khan, Krishna Chatwani, Kumar Parth, Kushagra Singh. No. Kushar Gautam, no. Maruf, no. Azan, no. Shoaib, no. Agaz, no. Muskan Gangwar, no. Then Nishal Raj, Noor, Om.
Yes, ma'am.
Nishal is there. Noor is not there. Om Patel, Priyanshi, Rehan Ali. No. Rishabh, Sahil, Sanskriti. Is Sanskriti there? No. Shreyansh, no. Siddhant Yadav, yes. Sorry, Siddhant
Yes,
Gangwar.
ma'am.
Tanishka,
Present, ma'am.
Yash Raj.
Present.
Then Sumit Yadav,
Present, ma'am.
Shi Parmar.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Then Roma.
Present, ma'am.
Anybody else whose name I have not taken? Kushagra. Which Kushagra is there in the class? Can you keep your? Can you open your camera, Kushagra? Else I'll remove you from the meeting if you will not respond. Which Kushagra is there in the class? Which one? Okay, Kushag. Fine. Fine. Very good. Okay. Done?
Ma'am.
Right. Next, coming to the next flow chart. Now, the next flow chart tells us that we all know that commercial forestry was something which was exclusively done by the British. So we'll be writing that how the rise of commercial forestry was responsible for the enactment of new forest laws, then how these laws that were made, that were enacted by the British, affected the lives of the people, how these laws, how this commercial forestry also imposed ban on shifting cultivation, which was practiced by these tribal groups, and how the prohibition of hunting and the Forest Act, which were imposed by the British, how these affected the lives of people, right? So, rise of commercial forestry. See, first of all, we will write enactment. He founded the Indian Forest Act. I hope the board is clear.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see, just a moment, listen to what I am telling. See, Indian Forest Act of 1865, it was initiated by Dietrich Brandis, who was an advisor to the British. Now, what he did in 1864, he founded the Indian Forest Act. And under the Indian Forest Act, British had made this. Under this Forest Act, Dietrich Brandis was made the first Inspector General of the forest in the country. What he did, he imposed the Indian Forest Act of 1865. And this Forest Act that was made, it was amended twice. Once it was done in 1827, and second time it was done in, sorry, 1878, sorry, 1878. And the other time it was amended in the year 1927. Now, after this amendment was done, the forest areas were categorized into three categories: reserved forests, protected forests, and the village forests. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. You carry on. 2 minutes for you to complete this.
I'm done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move? Now, once these forest acts were enacted, how it had put an impact on the lives of the people. So effects of Forest Act on the lives of people. Your next flow chart is it clear?
Yes,
Now, how these acts affected the lives of people? Early practice became illegal. Then people were forced to steal wood. Then police and guards arrest people and took bribes. Right? Now see, stop writing for a moment and listen. Now how the forest laws, they impacted or they affected the lives of people. Now whatever earlier they were doing, like whatever practices they had in past, all those practices became illegal. As per the law, collection of wood, collecting of byproducts of the forest, everything was made illegal. Now people, the forest dwellers, those who were there, the tribal groups which were there, they were not permitted to take even a piece of wood without the permission of the officials or the guards or the police which was there. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of this, what happened? People, they were forced to steal wood. See, when something that you have been doing, since ages, and all of a sudden you are told not to do that, so what you will do, you will be bound to go against the law. So perforce the people were also forced to steal wood. Steal मतलब पता है ना क्या होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Nishal, what is meant by stealing wood? Nishal?
हम चुराना.
Very good, very good. Chori karna. So people were forced to steal wood from their own forest areas, right? Then the police and the guards which were there, they were so mean. These people were appointed by the British or ruler, the colonial rulers, from their villages only. But then these people, they were so mean that they harassed the people who came to collect the woods. They used to take bribes from them, and they used to tell them to forcefully give food to them free of cost. And sometimes they used to charge high, heavy money from them. And if they were not able to pay, or if they refused to pay, they were they were given punishment, right? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
carry on
Yes,
writing.
ma'am.
Carry on writing. 2 minutes to complete this.
Done, ma'am.
class?
Ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now coming to the banning of shifting cultivation. We all know there's these tribal groups which were there. They used to practice shifting cultivation. I hope you remember that we did this in class 8th also, right? Right, children?
Ma'am, can you repeat what did you say?
I said that we did in class 8th also that the tribal groups which were there, they practiced the shifting cultivation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is this shifting cultivation? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, it is a process in which the land which we have in present, it has to be shifted. Mean the crop which are there, they has to be shifted on other land at other place, and in that process, so many things happen. Nature also get destroyed in the sense they had to burn the crop which was waste, and also they had to uh, shift the crop. In that process, nature also get so much damaged.
Yes, very good. Fine. Now see, shifting cultivation, as Parth told, that it is a practice where a patch of land is cleared. A patch of land is cleared for approximately 3 to 4 years. Cultivation is done on that land, and then when the natural fertility of the land goes, then that land is left untouched, and then these people, they shift to another patch of land. Same practice, same things are repeated, and this is how they keep, moving from one patch of land to another patch of land. And in this due process, what do? They cut down the forest area, use that space which they have cleared for cultivation, and they shift. They do not reuse the land that they have left. Reason being, they leave that land to regain its natural fertility, right? Now, why do they do so? Because they used to believe that naturally leaving a land open without any cultivation will help the land to regain its fertility naturally without using any chemical fertilizers or manures or anything, right? I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So writing about ban on shifting cultivation. Yes. Stop writing for a moment. Do I need to explain this ban on shifting cultivation again?
No, ma'am.
No,
Fine.
ma'am.
You finish writing. You finish writing. Class, we are left with one more part. I am writing it in small over here. You will be writing it after ban on shifting cultivation. Am I clear? Class,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is a small part or big like
It is quite
these three?
small. It is quite small. Quite small. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Prohibition on hunting after Forest Act.
Ma'am, this much only?
No, no. I am writing. I am writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I write it over here?
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, I have made a cloud over here and I am writing. Huh? Only this much, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Excuse me.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the practice not to cut the tree in the forest wood. So, ma'am, this came in British time and it's going on now
नहीं
also.
बेटा, this shifting cultivation was before the British also. It was before the British also, and now though there has been a like the percentage has actually decreased a lot.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ,
I'm done.
you all have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything
Yes,
not
ma'am.
understood? Very good, very good.